Tired of being limited by space and environment? Can true performance coexist with portability? Now the real mobile workstation is here. The next-gen ONERugged M82A rugged smart tablet goes wherever you go. With all-day battery life, it powers through your longest shifts, and even in extreme conditions, information display stays clear and visible, making fieldwork precise, efficient, and done in one go. Say goodbye to performance anxiety and data silos. The M82A runs demanding workloads with sustained high performance. Dual authentication enables secure, fast identity verification and data capture, keeping production and logistics perfectly in sync. Efficient, seamless, and reliable. Behind every critical connection stands the M82A's rock-solid stability. It fits into the tightest spaces and ensures a direct, reliable connection, so maintenance and inspection leave no blind spots behind. From logistics and delivery to infrastructure inspection, the M82A bridges the gap between ground and sky. Always connected. Ultra durable. It keeps your operations running smoothly, in any weather, at any time, providing a reliable foundation for innovation in the field. This is the new standard of mobile productivity. ONERugged M82A rugged smart tablet. The smallest, yet the strongest.